Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 shoulder system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 shoulder system for therapy. First, decide which shoulder you're treating, left or right. Take the larger strap and use the hook and loop fastener to attach the plain end to the device. Make sure the strap will run down your back when you put the device on. Place the device comfortably on your shoulder. Let the strap hang down your back. Reach around with your opposite hand to grab the strap. Then pull it up and across your chest. Secure the end of the strap with the logo to the system on the front of your chest. Use the strap glider to fine-tune the fit until it feels secure but comfortable. Everyone's body is different. You may need to adjust the angle of the strap, pulling across or more forward to find what's most comfortable for you. Want a tighter fit? Try attaching the strap to the top of your shoulder instead. Need a more secure fit? Use the provided short strap. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.